Learn how to hang artwork and create gallery-worthy walls in your home. Start with the right hardware, which depends on the weight of the piece you're hanging and what type of hanging device is on the piece. Adhesive strips work well for lightweight or temporary pieces. If you're hanging one piece of art, the middle of the piece should hang at eye level. If you're hanging an arrangement of different pieces, start with the centerpiece at this height and work in pieces around it. Measure the height of your piece and divide by 2 to find the middle point. Add that number to 57. Now you know how many inches up the wall to hang the art, so the middle hangs at eye level. We'll call this your starting height. Now look at how the picture will hang and compensate for the hanging hardware placement. If your picture will hang from a wire, stretch the wire taut in the center to mimic how the wire will be when the art is hanging. Measure how far the top of the wire is from the top of the frame and subtract the number from the starting height. This is the final height at which you'll place the nail or screw. If your picture has a sawtooth hanger, measure from the top of the frame to the crest of the middle tooth and subtract the number from the starting height to find the final height. Next, figure out the horizontal placement of the nail or screw. Look at what you'll be hanging the art in relation to, such as between two windows or above a sofa. Measure the distance between these two reference points and divide by 2. This number will be the center point. Measure this distance and lightly mark with a pencil. From this point, measure up from the floor to your calculated final height. This will be where you place the nail or screw. Install the hardware and hang your picture. Use this centerpiece as a reference point for hanging the other pieces in the arrangement.